Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're checking out this cornhole set from GoSports, Amazon. This one runs it's $99. It's 4x2. Comes with this carry bag. It's actually kind of heavy. Ugh. See if I can get this out of there or not. Probably weighs maybe 40 pounds. It's pretty, trying to look for a particular weight amount on there. So it does come with this carry case, but this is significantly heavy. This is made out of steel or whatever, so that's a nice little carry case here. And it's got this faux wood, but I believe this is actually metal. So this is nice and smooth here. It's pretty nice. Is this metal or you see the bottom here? I thought it said this was steel. This looks like just wood here. And it's got the little legs that fold up here. Okay, so maybe this is just wood. And maybe the bean bags were all the weight right there. Comes with some cornhole game rules. And we'll get this one out too. Okay, a little case off the side. Get this set up here. There we go. This is pretty good size. And then we got the bean bags right here. Open these up. Bean bags there. Got some red ones. And blue ones. So, I'm actually going to try a couple tosses here to see if I can set up a run and chuck some of these around. Alright, I'll give a couple tosses here with my bean bag down the hallway. Nice slides on there. So with this kind of a smooth surface, it's nice. Sometimes you get one it's a little rougher, and so the corn or the bean bags don't really slide on there. It seems really smooth. Let's check out the bottom part of them. Okay, so here's the underneath, and it's just like a wood frame, I guess, with maybe it's some kind of not sure what kind of like a vinyl topping on this wood or something like that. It's pretty smooth. It's an outdoor one, but I wouldn't store it outdoors. It seems like if you leave it out in the rain and the elements, it's not gonna, probably won't last that long, but I would definitely keep it in the garage or something. But as far as being a nice set here, it seems like it's gonna be pretty cool here. So it looks really nice too. So seems sturdy enough. And cornhole is a lot of fun, just like a yard game, something to play, and you can play in teams and stuff like that. So looking forward to doing that with the family. All right, guys, well, this one runs, I think it was about $99 on Amazon, and I'll link that in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. All right, here we go. I've been known to play a little bit of cornhole in my day, so there it is out there. little bit short. A little short there. That's all right. Let's go with this one. A little short. A little bit more elevation there. A little strong. All right. Come on, this one's for all the money. Try the other ones. Reload my bean bags. Man, just not having a lot of luck here. There we go. Nice, and see how they slide nicely. So I want to try to hit it before that hole. Just kind of get it up in there. These other ones I was playing with before, this thing didn't have any slide on it, so there, that would have been perfect. All right, down to the other side. Okay, here we go. Nope, a little short there. A little short on the cornhole. Last. And here we go. One more. How am I hitting all the exact same spot like every time here? I made it! All right, guys.